You're gonna teach Bibi how to bake cheesy bread?
Baby.
Yeah, I think Bibi likes cheesy bread.
No, me like.
You don't like cheesy bread? Cheesy bread is yummy. Is Baby Bear excited?
Yeah. Me tired though.
Are you excited too to bake?
Yep.
Okay, let's go get started.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Baby, what?
Good job, Bibi. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Mommy, baby, ready.
What is he drinking?
Bye.
Oh, baby, don't drink the water. It's for our baking.
No, baby, no, eat, no, bye.
Is Bibi sorry? Okay.
Yeah, babe.
What's Wayne? Is that warm? Can you say warm?
Name. Mine.
Good job. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Yeah. Okay, gently.
Whoa. We did. Hey, people. Yeah. Yum,
Oh, good job. Now you can try it. How is it?
Me by the eat avoid it.
You like that? It's cheese.
It's
It's clean.
me by big one.
Okay.
That big one.
After that one, then we start baking
No,
again.
I mean my big one.
You want a big cheese. Okay, let's make the cheesy bread now. Okay?
By this.
Okay, what are we gonna bake if you keep eating all the cheese?
Then
Okay.
me to buy one more.
Okay, one more.
No, mean but the eat the ice. Right.
Does cheese make you strong?
Ow! 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 Oh!
Whoa.
Eat it. Hi.
It's ready now.
Away?
Yeah, now we're gonna mix it with our flour mix, okay? Oh no, baby! Stop that! We need it for our cheesy bread.
All done.
Are you full now?
No. Yeah.
You only dry.
Eat oven.
Baby, what did you do?
You did it like that.
Oh no. You're all dirty now.
Me did that bud.
Oh, you gotta go shower now.
Yeah.
Let me see, are you clean now?
Yeah. Do like that.
And you mix. What's that?
That big.
Yeah, it's really big now, right? That's our dough that you mixed earlier. Okay, so we're gonna knead it a little bit now, and then we're gonna bake it, okay? A little bit. That's it, that's good. Ooh, wow.
No baby. No baby.
Wow. Okay, let's go sprinkle some flour.
And then why?
Mm-hmm. Right, I'm gonna sprinkle some more flour. More flour over here. Okay, now we knead. do this, okay?
Do this.
Yeah.
And then
Push down.
yo here.
Yeah, push down. Push down. You excited now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let mommy take it out of the oven.
No. Yeah. No. Read hard.
You like it?
Yep.
You smell good?
Yep.
Take a bite.